Hello, myself Dr. Lovely Sharkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Siliguri College, Siliguri, Darjeeling, West Bengal. I'll be talking on biogas. It is essentially a mixture of different gases, mainly containing 55 to 60% methane and mainly carbon dioxide, along with very trace amount of nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen sulfide, and ammonia. But when cattle dung is digested in biogas plant, the products, mainly those are methane, and which can be utilized as a fuel for domestic purposes, basically in rural areas, and the liquid humus that can be used for a good natural fertilizer. These are the typical composition of biogas where methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, hydrogen sulfide, and oxygen that have been represented with the possible percentage. As for raw materials, that biogas which can be generated from locally available wide range of materials such as vegetable wastage, animal excreta, agricultural waste, animal dung as feed material. As for efficiency, it has been estimated that for a small family of 4 person, it requires mainly about 4.25% of biogas per day for the cooking purposes, and as well as lighting, and this much quantity of biogas can be easily generated from the night soil of the family and the dung of the 3 cows. The efficiency of the direct burning of dung cakes is only about 11%, but the efficiency, it will be increased about 60% for the biogas. In other words, we can say that the generation of biogas provides about 5 times more energy than the direct burning of the same quantity of dried dung cakes. So, for the housewives, they will be saved from the irritating smoke hazards, which is result of the combustion of firewood, kettle dung, detritus of raw vegetables, etc. And it has also been estimated that more than 4 million biogas units are functioning in our country only, that producing high calorific, ashless and smokeless fuel in addition to good quality manure that can be used for the fertilizers. The energy obtained from biogas plants may be regarded as clean energy. Why? This is because the biogasification technology that gets simultaneously rid of wide range of organic wastes of organic as well as inorganic origin. Regarding the plant operation, the dung, cattle dung mainly, and water are mixed in the ratio 4:5 in the mixing tank and fed into the digester. After purification and digestion, the slurry gets collected in the second tank. The gas produced is collected in the gas holder and can be conveyed to places up to 30 meters. And the gas generator has pressure of about 75 to 150 millimeter of water column. And this pressure is very much sufficient for lighting, cooking, lights purposes, etc. And the gas can also be used for running various engines. And normally, an animal actually gives 10 to 20 kg of dung daily based on its size, and about 50 kg of dung is required daily. Excreta of 60 human beings can also be used for each plant. The gas plant is generally located near the Goshala of about 20 meters away from the gas plant. And it can also be located near slaughterhouses, pig farms, poultry farms, if sufficient excreta is available there. But there are some limitations of biogas because it's dependent on the cattle dung from which it is produced through anaerobic fermentation. Another limitation is to have the gas lamp or stoves or burner within 10 meters of the plant. A large number of government and voluntary organizations are involved in this diminishing biogas technology, where the Department of Non-Conventional Energy Sources under the Ministry of Energy is the nodal agency in charge of National Program on Biogas Development. This agency actually installing biogas plants suited to local conditions and works with NGOs and state government officials up to the district level. And here is a biogas generator from where the biogas is produced. It consists of a steel digester where the dug in and set underground by cement concrete work. The tank is closed one, receiving the charge of bacteria and the cattle dung. The generator is connected with a pipeline with a gas holder which is made up of mild steel. That charge consists of cattle dung and water in the form of slurry. The fermentation is carried out about between 35 to 50 degrees centigrade. About 160 liter of biogas is produced per kg of cattle dung, and the heating value of the gas is 490 kilocalories on 160 liter basis. The gas generated is collected in a steel gas holder placed on the top of digestion tank. The plant can digest not only the cattle dung but also cattle urine, human refuse, poultry, sweeps, etc. And the average composition of the biogas produced, that is methane 55%, hydrogen 7.4%, carbon dioxide 35%, nitrogen 2.6%, and a trace of water. And the average gross caloric value of the gas is 5300 kilocalories per meter cube. Some advantages of biogas is that it is characterized by smokeless combustion, which results in the absence of toxic emissions like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, and sulfur dioxide. And the production of biogas generates a residual slurry that can be utilized for the fertilizer for agricultural purposes. Biogas facilities have the potential to achieve self-sufficiency within a period of 3 to 4 months and require minimal initial capital investment. The establishment of biogas projects has resulted in the creation of numerous employment opportunities also. Biogas is classified as renewable energy source, and obviously its production is continually supported by the ongoing processes of waste generation. Regarding conclusion, we can say that utilizing biogas produced from organic waste presents a significant opportunity to reduce greenhouse gas emission. It decreases reliance on fossil fuels. It promotes sustainability across various sectors. By integrating biogas into energy system, we can work towards a more sustainable energy in future and improve our air quality of the environment. And also biogas has a potential to revolutionize green transportation, driving the growth of bio-CNG trucks, buses and other vehicles. Thereby, we can enhance the eco-friendly mobility options. So here are a few references that have been used. And last of all, thank you to all.